fix Microsoft Store error 0x00000000. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Start with the troubleshooter. The best way to resolve Microsoft Store errors is by running Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter, although it might not help for everyone. Solution 2. Relog into the Store app. Click on your profile picture and click Sign Out. Restart your computer. Once back, open the store again. Click on the user icon and select Sign In. Enter your username and password and see if the error is gone. Solution 3. Reset Windows Store cache. Cached files might sometimes become corrupted or bugged. Resetting them might be helpful when dealing with 0x00000000 store error. Solution 4. Repair or reset the app. Solution 5. Repair damaged system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Solution 6. Change ownership of the repository packages. Insufficient permissions might result in Windows Store errors. Try using the registry editor to address this, although make sure you back up your registry before proceeding. If the owner is system, skip this method. If it is set to something else, you need to change it to system. Under Owner, click Change. Type in System in the field, click Check Names, and click OK. Restart your PC. Solution 7. Restart Windows Store install service.